Are you noticing oil spots on your driveway? In today's episode, we'll be answering the question, where can engine oil leak from a car engine? An oil leak can lead to serious engine issues if not addressed. Today, we're going over the most common places engine oil leaks come from and how to identify them. One of the most common sources, the valve cover gasket. Over time, heat causes the gasket to dry out and crack, allowing oil to seep out. If you notice oil pooling around the valve cover or dripping onto the exhaust, this might be your issue. A leaking valve cover gasket can also lead to a burning oil smell when driving. Next, let's talk about the oil pan gasket. Your oil pan sits at the bottom of your engine, holding the oil supply. The gasket that seals it can wear out over time, leading to leaks. If you see a consistent puddle forming around your car, especially near the center, the oil pan gasket could be failing. Another common leak location that is often overlooked is the oil drain plug. After an oil change, if the plug isn't tightened correctly or the washer is worn, oil can seep out slowly. If you recently changed your oil and noticed a small leak, check the drain plug first. It might just need a simple tightening or a new washer. The timing cover gasket is another potential leak point. This gasket seals the front of the engine where the timing components are housed. If it fails, oil may leak down the front of the engine and could even reach the serpentine belt, causing more damage. If you see oil accumulating in this area, it's time for a closer inspection. Let's not forget about the oil filter and oil pressure sensor. A loose or improperly installed oil filter can lead to leaks right at the connection point. The oil pressure sensor, which monitors oil pressure, can also develop leaks as it ages. If you notice oil around the sensor or dripping from the filter area, replacing these components might solve the problem. If you suspect a leak, always check your oil level with the dipstick. Running low on engine oil can lead to serious engine damage, including overheating and excessive wear on moving parts. If you constantly have to top off your oil, there's likely a leak that needs addressing. Now you know where oil can leak from a car engine, from gaskets to sensors. There are several places to check. If you're dealing with an oil leak, inspect these areas first and always follow a leak up to find its original location. Got questions or need more DIY auto repair tips? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.